In this part, we are going to introduce the multiple selectors to select multiple elements, and we will apply the same CSS rule to all the elements. For example, you can see in this HTML, you can see the headers, the paragraph, and we can delete this div, and we have sections, and we have footer. So in the traditional ways, if we want to, for example, we want to add some colors to the paragraph. For example, we type color blue, and then we have the font size of 50 pixels. And then if we want to set the font weight of bold, now you can see it has a bold font weight. Now if we want to also add this kind of styles or decorations to the headers and also the footers and sections, then we may want to add like this. We'll duplicate this a few times and then change this to H1, and then we change this to sections, and also we change the last one to footer. Now you can add all the elements has the same kind of styles, but as you can see, this is not very convenient, and it also increased the file size of the CSS file. So the best way to do it is to delete all of this, and then we just need to add the comma and H1, and then we add the sections and also the footer. Now all the elements has the same CSS rules, so all of them has the same style.